It's a really beautiful space already. The natural light is coming through, which is such a great feature of this space. Your light isn't even on and it's so beautifully lit. So the first quick win I would say is just remove anything that doesn't really belong in your space. Right now I can see there's an extra chair. You've got something hiding behind a blanket in the corner, an extra leaf in the table. There's a broom with a dustpan. Just take those things out and suddenly your space will feel less cluttered and look more spacious. Number 2 is all about creating the illusion of more space. So very smart. I see that you've removed the leaf from the table. That's a great trick to create the illusion that the space is bigger by shrinking your table. Another trick people do is they could remove the bench so that you only have 4 chairs around the table and you don't have one at each of the heads. I would also probably remove that entire plant shelf that you've got along the back wall, and that'll just create more flow in your space. It'll make it all look much larger and just reduce the number of plants. Plants are awesome in listings and in photos because it's life and it brings warmth into the space. But if you reduce the number and sprinkle them throughout your home and decor, it'll do wonders in your space and will actually create repetition throughout your design. Number 3, I'm going to say it's simplify your color palette. So you've got some really warm, beautiful wooden tones, which is so natural. The natural light is working really well with the plants and the wood. The color that doesn't belong is the red. So the red star was the first thing I saw when I looked at this space. When you're looking at a space and you want to calm it down, just look at the first thing that catches your eye. What is the color? And see if you can reduce the number of colors in the space and it'll immediately feel more calm. Number 4, I would add actually a shelf in the corner. So an open shelf where you could take a few of those plants and create a vignette. I see you also have some candles and other things decorated throughout that shelf along the back wall. I would keep some of those elements, pare it down, create a nice vignette, and maybe if you don't want to do the shelf, you could just put a beautiful piece of art, like a natural something on that wall. Quick win number 5 is to work with the warm. So it's a gorgeous space. I would just keep warming it up a little bit more. Some other things you could do to warm up the space. That large plant that is right under the red star is very nice. You could warm it up by putting it in a woven basket and it would just create an extra texture into your space. And it's quite sizable, so you could actually put it on the floor somewhere in your home just to decorate it if you have an empty corner. Another thing that I really like is bowls of lemons. I think that would look beautiful on your table and it would just create that warm, cozy feeling without cluttering up anything. Thank you for watching. If you found that helpful, I would love to know in the comments below. If you didn't like it, I don't want to know. And now, if you have a space in your home that is frustrating you and is really challenging, I would love to see a photo of it and share my top 5 quick wins for your space. Talk to you soon.